one. Okay. Now, we need to put a round in there, right? So we need to chamber around. So we need to pull this guy.
You got to unlock it.
Watch that finger, Reuben.
Yeah, watch that finger. Right here. There we go.
Okay.
So remember, put this one in your shoulder.
Young man's first go.
All right.
And put your hand up here where the trigger is, right there.
Is that your kid's?
Trigger?
Yeah.
There you go.
That's what my kids shoot. And now they're like, I don't want to shoot this anymore, Dad.
Oh.
Your gun collection.
Well, that's
They want
fine.
the big stuff.
No.
22 rifles are still fun. I got one.
Yep.
I got two of them actually.
You see something you want to shoot at right there? Put it in the middle of that black crosshair. The black thing, and then pull the trigger.
Yeah, he's having trouble reaching the...
So look through the scope. Okay. Hold it up there. There you go. Pull, squeeze the trigger. There you go. Squeeze it. Pull it.
What caliber? What's the
It's off safe, right?
I need to look at the label. Yeah, because maybe I should.
There we go.
Yeah, it's safed out the yin yang.
What's that? Mike.
Those little 22s.
What's that?
All right.
Hey.
Nice.
Mauser action. Douglas Premium Barrel. Ecuadorian contract, so it's still World War II. But
Shoot that zombie?
yeah.
You see him?
Think it's heavy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
He can use a log up there if he wants.
Huh? Okay. Oh, good.
Pull it.
I gotta wipe it down.
He's just having trouble getting that hand all the way to the trigger.
Yeah. Yeah. So we might have to rest him on that log too.
Right. Yeah, go ahead.
Let's try it.